Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Tome AI account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Tome Storytelling AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address tome.app and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Tome AI or the Storytelling AI over here. And from over here, guys, in order to log into your Tome AI, simply click on the sign in button available at the top right corner of the screen first. And then our page will open for our login page will open over here, guys. And in order to sign into your account from over here, guys, you can see there are three tabs: a manual login tab, sign in with Google, and the sign in with Apple. If you click on either of these two buttons which says sign in with Google and sign in with Apple, a login page to your Google or your Apple account will open depending upon which one you click. And if you log into your respective accounts, either Google or your Apple, on the page open by clicking on these buttons, you'll be also logged into your Tom AI account online with your Google or your Apple account with these processes. And guys, in order for a manual login, click over here and enter your email address with which you had created an account on the Tom.app or the Tom AI. And after that, enter your password over here, guys, like this. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. And if you click on that forgot password button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your Tom AI account password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Tom AI account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Tom Storytelling AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.